And this is the condolence message from H.E. Uhuru Kenyatta, former President of the Republic of Kenya. It is with profound sadness that I received the news of the passing of Honorable Dalmas Otieno, an accomplished leader, seasoned administrator, and dedicated servant of the people of Kenya. Honorable Dalmas devoted his life to public service with unmatched commitment and integrity. As a legislator, cabinet minister, and a community leader, he distinguished himself as a man of vision, courage, whose leadership and ideas left lasting impact on our nation's governance and development. His remarkable contribution in various ministries, particularly in planning, labor, and public service, reflected his deep belief in Kenya, where institutions are strong, opportunity are shared, and the dignity of every citizen is upheld. Beyond his public service, Honorable Dalmas was a mentor, a voice of reason, a source of wisdom to many. He championed dialogue and consensus, always putting the interests of the country above personal gain. His calm demeanor, clarity of thought, unwavering patriotism earned him respect across the political divide and endeared him to colleagues, friends. Kenya has indeed lost a great son, a man who gave the best of his talents to the nation and whose legacy will remain etched in the annals of history. His passing is not only a loss to his family, but community and the country at large. On behalf of my family, that's Uhuru's family, I extend our heartfelt condolence to his wife, Patricia, Anyagem, children, relatives, and the people of Rongo constituency, whom he served with dedication and pride. May you find strength and comfort in the knowledge that his life was of service, a purpose of honor. As we mourn his departure, we also celebrate a legacy, as Lillian had said earlier on in reading the eulogy, that will continue to inspire generations to come. We pray that the Almighty grants the family peace, consolation, and fortitude, difficult time. Signed by His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, and I'll hand over this to Mama Patricia on behalf of the family. Thank you very much, and God bless you.